The SecureAmerica Institute is extremely excited to introduce you to our facility, which is open, accessible, and inclusive. And we perform applied research and development, workforce and education, and we support commercialization of manufacturing processes and products to industry. We believe that a reinvigorated manufacturing base in the U.S. is the cornerstone to prosperity and the future of our national security. As an unbiased convener of a national consortium, we are bringing together industry, government entities, research organizations, and academia to take early action on advancing manufacturing requirements for the next generation. Our newly renovated facility sits on the Rellis campus, an innovation campus that allows for industry collaborations to occur. Our facility embodies a collaborative spirit with over 13,000 square feet of manufacturing floor space. Equipment located in the manufacturing area is intended to be used as support for applied research projects and can be leveraged by faculty, industry, and government partners. We have dedicated floor space for experimental production lines with the intent of taking public-private industry collaborations to a whole new level. The SecureAmerica Institute will continue to integrate new state-of-the-art assets and expertise into the facility, serving to enable rapid production prototyping. I hope you've enjoyed learning more about the SecureAmerica Institute facility, and we look forward to working with you on solving the next manufacturing challenge.